Hi everyone, make protein packed moi moi with me. First, we'll be needing our red beans. I use red beans. I'm just washing my beans now to ensure I thoroughly take off any dirt from the beans. And I would usually use my blender to peel up my soaked beans just to make life easy. And I've just here washed my beans thoroughly and blending it ready to be cooked. I've added my pepper and my long pepper, onions to the beans, well blended and very smooth. Here, the proteins I'll be using is corned beef, and I'll be using what's it called, boiled eggs. I've added my vegetable oil to the beans, mixing thoroughly together, checking the consistency to be sure it is light enough up to what I want, and that's me pouring corned beef and boiled eggs into my mixture, thoroughly mixing together. I'll be adding Maggi, um, curry, and salt to taste, and again thoroughly stirring together. And the next thing I'll be doing is to get ready to fold my moi moi into the pot. And that's me there. That's actually my mom. They're helping me. What's it called? Wrap the moi moi into the pot while I do the video. And that's all packed already into the pot, ready to be cooked. And we'll wait for the moi moi to be cooked and served. Voila! That's our fluffy, well textured moi moi. Thank you for watching. Please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and let me know what videos you'd like to see. Thank you all for watching and subscribing to Meals with Ayo. Thank you.